Hi everybody, welcome back to ARMCANDY. We have got a Prada to show you today. So this is a Prada shoulder and it's in this beautiful buffalo leather, which is a really lovely cream colour. And I think that just looks gorgeous in this oversized baguette kind of shoulder shape. I really love it. So we've got double top handles, and then we've got a flat closure, and that's got a Prada push lock, as well as two press stud fasteners, so you can see when you open it up, we've got those two press stud on either side as well. And then inside, we've got that Prada fabric lining, the Prada badge, and we've got one zipped pocket on this interior. So I'll show you that zip still works really nice and smoothly. The condition of it, we've called the exterior fair. There's just a little bit of marking on it. So on the back, you can see that it's got a little bit of a mark along there, and the corners have a little bit of wear to them, but actually they are still quite nice and intact. You can see there's just a little bit of a dark mark on them, but other than that, they are still quite nice. We have mostly called it fair because of that mark on there, and you can just see that it's got quite squished in the corner there. You can see it's got a bit of a bend in those corners. That would just be from storage probably, and because it is such a soft leather, it actually suits the bag quite well, and once you start using it you can see it will kind of extend, and then that shape will be really nice. We've also got that Prada badge on the exterior as well. And then the hardware we've called good. This is lovely shiny silver hardware. There's just a little bit of marking, so you can see a bit of a mark here. It's mostly on this push lock. You can see some scratching, but areas like those Prada badges are still really nice, so that is why we've called that hardware good condition. And then the interior, again, we've called good condition. The fabric lining is perfect, there's no marks, that is really nice all inside there. We've called it good mostly just because it's got this little mark on this flat closure on that leather. Most of that leather is really nice, but there is just a little mark on there, so that is why we've called the interior good condition. I'll show you what it comes with, so I'll just get it closed. So we have got a little Prada envelope, and inside there we've got the Prada authenticity card, and then we have got the Prada care card too. So that's got all that care info in there. And then we also have the Prada dust bag. If you'd like to find this bag on our website, click the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you straight to this Prada on ARMCANDYBAG CO.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic products page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have so many beautiful bags at the minute, so make sure you have a browse through everything else that we've got available at the minute. But if you've seen this in particular, you've fallen in love with it, but it's gone by the time you get to our website, let us know and we can get you on the request list for one. And that just means as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. And that applies to any pre-loved designer bag you have in mind as well. Just let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and these double top handles are the perfect size to just slip on your shoulder nice and easily. And again, I just love this kind of oversized baguette shape. I think it's really cool, and because it's that really lovely slouchy buffalo leather, it just molds under your arm and sits really perfectly. So it is a gorgeous bag. Go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous ARMCANDY, sign up to our newsletter and we will send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. Don't forget, like this video while you're here and subscribe to our channel. If you hit that alert button, we have new bags to show you pretty much every day, so hit that alert button and we'll be back very soon.